I see today's mathematics is God. God is the supreme being black man from Asia. Yo veo la matemática suprema hoy como Dios. Y Dios es el hombre supremo asiático. I come in the divine name of SunGod Allah. You know? And the three main steps of the birth of the sun are gravitational contractions of gas and dust particles in the interior, pressure and temperature, and nuclear function. An atom is needed for any type of evolution. So when this atom is in motion, this is friction, and for frictions we get sparks, and from sparks we get heat and light. All this is caused by protons and electrons being forced together with the unseen force of power today known as magnetic conscious, which came together with the four-planar energy amplified from the mind, which is will. Furthermore, gravitational contractions cause temperature and pressure of gas and dust particles to greatly rise. When this temperature reaches a certain degree in the nuclear function reaction, these nuclear function reactions started to release a tremendous amount of energy. Energy was being generated in the center of the gas and dust particles as fast as it was being radiated out into space. This is a voluntary way of a very high eternal pressure and temperature being maintained in the nuclear function reaction. The nuclear function reaction is the function of blending of lightweight and atomic nuclei into a nuclei of a heavier mass with a resultant loss in a comprised mass converted into energy. This is the evolution of the sun. Thus, the amount of energy that's being released from the nuclear function reaction can be calculated from the equation of E equal mc2. E is energy, M equal mass. Difference C equals speed of light. So all this is saying that energy, which is the capacity of action, equals mass difference. The mass difference in size, weight, and the matter of an object after the function of that object has taken place. The mass difference also took place when hydrogen is used as energy, thus causing the hydrogen to become much lighter and turn into helium. These gases also cause the light of the sun that travels at 186,000 miles per second. Now, 186,000 miles per second, right, is the speed of light. So it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the light of the sun to hit the earth. So to prove this, all we have to find out is how many seconds are in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. It's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 60 times 8 is 48, plus the 20 seconds make it 500. So you times 186,000, which is the speed of light, to 500 to give you 93 million miles. That's the distance from the sun to the earth. But to make it more simple, right, the earth is 93 million miles away from the sun. Born understanding borns knowledge, wisdom, and knowledge, wisdom borns understanding. So when you born in your understanding to the earth, you showing her culture, her freedom, and you showing her power as a refined woman. You drawing her up to her fullest equality, God. So that's using supreme mathematics and showing and prove that degree right there, God. You know, a more simple way where I can show and prove my name, you know, Sun God, Self a Savior, the knowledge born degree in the alphabet and universe. You and I versus the 21st degree in the alphabet, and the 14th degree is now nation of N. So true indeed, I'm the self savior of my universe, because the universe is everything, sun, moon, and stars. They are planets. Planets are something that are made and grown from the beginning. So I'm the maker, the owner, the cream of the planet Earth, father civilization, and God of the universe. So now's the time to get knowledge of oneself. God is the supreme being black man, the God degree in the alphabet. Cipher is the knowledge power degree. Born, God born, builder, destroying, Allah born's God. So Allah and God is one of the same. Supreme being black man from Asia. So simple God. Allah is God in the earth and heavens. He is just and true. There is no unrighteousness in him. But he is not unseen. He is seen and heard everywhere, for he is the all seeing. Yeah, and the D, God, the D is divine. Divine is to be pure and right. Peace. That's how I see today's mathematics, God.